Rising nearly 200 meters above the jungle, stands one of the world's most mysterious and breathtaking ancient wonders. Welcome to Sigiriya, Sri Lanka's legendary Lion Rock. Was it a royal palace, a fortress, or something far more extraordinary? Located in the heart of Sri Lanka, Sigiriya Rock Fortress is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that dates back over 1,500 years. Built by King Kashyapa in the 5th century, Sigiriya is not just a rock, it's a masterpiece of ancient engineering, art, and strategy. Today, it attracts travelers from all around the world, and in this video, we're taking you to the top. As you enter Sigiriya, you are greeted by one of the oldest landscape gardens in the world. These water gardens are perfectly symmetrical, designed over 1,500 years ago with advanced hydraulic systems. During the rainy season, fountains still work today, powered only by natural water pressure. This shows the incredible intelligence of ancient Sri Lanka engineering. The story of Sigiriya begins with King Kashyapa, a ruler with a dramatic past. After seizing the throne from his father, Kashyapa feared revenge from his brother. So, he built his palace on top of this massive rock, turning it into an unbreakable fortress. With water gardens, mirror walls, and hidden pathways, Sigiriya became one of the most advanced cities of its time. But after his death, the palace was abandoned, leaving behind only ruins and mystery. Before King Kashyapa, Sigiriya was a peaceful Buddhist monastery. These caves among the massive boulders were once used by monks for meditation. Even today, you can see ancient inscriptions carved into the rock, marking centuries of spiritual history. One of Sigiriya's greatest treasures lies halfway up the rock, the famous Sigiriya frescoes. These ancient paintings of celestial maidens are over 1,500 years old and still vibrant today. Nearby, the mirror wall once reflected the king's image. Over centuries, visitors carved poems and messages into it, making it one of the oldest forms of graffiti in the world. To reach the summit, visitors must pass through the iconic Lion Gate. Originally, a giant lion structure stood here. Today, only the massive paws remain. The climb includes over 1,200 steps, but every step brings you closer to an unforgettable view. Along the way, you'll feel the wind, the height, and the history beneath your feet. are some fascinating facts about Sigiriya. The rock rises nearly 200 meters above the ground. There are over 1,200 steps to reach the top. Sigiriya is often called the eighth wonder of the world. The frescoes originally covered a much larger area than what we see today. This place is not just ancient, it was far ahead of its time. At the top of Sigiriya, the remains of the royal palace await. Surrounded by endless jungle, the view is simply breathtaking. You can see the symmetrical gardens below, perfectly designed centuries ago. This is not just a viewpoint, it's a journey back in time. Sigiriya is more than a tourist attraction, it's a symbol of Sri Lanka's rich heritage. It combines architecture, nature, and history in a way that few places on earth can. No wonder it's often called the eighth wonder of the world. The best time to visit Sigiriya is early morning or late afternoon. You can avoid the heat and experience magical views with soft golden light. Sunrise here feels peaceful, while sunset creates a dramatic, unforgettable scene. If you ever visit Sri Lanka, Sigiriya is a must-see destination. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content from Sri Lanka. See you in the next adventure.